Hi, my name is Ladislav Peska, and in our contribution, we consider the evaluation in the context of group recommendations, or more specifically, aggregators of the recommendations by individual users. While group recommendation aggregators consider recommendations for individual persons, and then aggregate them to a single list while maintaining preferences of all group members to some extent. As for the evaluation, there are two principal ways how to proceed. First is the coupled evaluation, where a combination of the underlying recommender system and the group aggregator are evaluated as a couple. The second option is what we call a decoupled evaluation, where we consider the output of the recommender system as a ground truth and evaluate just the group recommender system aggregator based on the output of the recommender. All right. Well, in theory, both of these evaluation types are linked with different type of biases. As for the coupled evaluation, the problem here is that the feedback is missing not at random, which in turn may favor aggregators that tend to propose per user best items. And as for the decoupled evaluation, in combination with some particular recommender systems, it is possible that the preferences of individual users are overestimated, which in turn favor aggregators that are seeking overly acceptable items, although they might not be the best choices for individual users. Well, in our paper, we evaluated how those potential biases affect the results, and well, it turned out that they affect the results quite significantly. What we did is that we got several state-of-the-art group recommendation aggregators, and we evaluate them both with respect to a coupled and decoupled evaluation, and the results were almost turned upside down. What we did next is that we tried to use a debiasing coupled evaluation, but it turns out that the amount of debiasing still significantly affect the ordering of the methods. So to conclude, we highly recommend to know your biases and how they can affect the results. And I'll be more than happy to discuss details of our research. Thank you.